Hey everyone, so today I'm going to do our sub reveal for our September monthly subscriptions. As always, I'll do the sticker kit first, and then I'll warn you ahead of time before I show you the stationery kit, because those have the mystery items and I know some people like to be surprised, so I warn you ahead of time. You can click out and come back when you get your sub. So first of all, this is the November kit. You always get a freebie add-on, so the kit that went out this month is for November, so people can get it ahead of time. And then the freebie is an add-on sheet, which has been photo boxes lately because these have been pretty popular in the shop. And these just have like a November / fall / like kind of Thanksgiving vibe to it, with some pumpkins, some candles, a beautiful bouquet here, a cozy vibe with the coffee or tea and a little blanket there, and then a little washi strip here that just says grateful. And then here's sheet A. So of course you have again those fall / Thanksgiving vibes, pumpkins, candles. I always think of reading books for fall, like cozying up on the couch, and then just some leaves. You have a pie and a place setting for those of you who celebrate Thanksgiving, but even if you don't, you can totally use that for anything. It just says gather on that little tag there. You have your circle icons here with a little ribbon here for Veterans Day and a little turkey here for those of you who do celebrate Thanksgiving. And then headers this month, next month, goals and projects. And then this is 2 strips of washi with this cute plant design on it. So that is sheet A. And then sheet B are your full boxes. As I always mention, these are a little bit more narrow than your standard full boxes. They're 1 1/4 inch wide to fit various planner sizes. These are like light gray and light pink backgrounds, and then that same washi, this is 1 thin strip of that same washi from sheet A. And then sheet C is your quarter boxes, half boxes, habit trackers, and list boxes. And this is a white background, light gray, light pink, and that plant background with a little bit of deco. And then sheet D are your, I call them icon boxes, with again the same backgrounds. You have more circle icons down the side. These are all headers, and then another thin piece of washi at the bottom. So that's sheet D. So these are all the sheets you get if you get the full sticker kit subscription. And then if you get the mini sticker kit subscription, you get the add-on, just like the full kit, and sheet A, and then you get sheet E, full boxes. You get some flags, quarter boxes, and half boxes. So if you get the mini sticker kit, these are what you get. I thought these came out so beautiful, so cozy feeling. And then now what I'm going to show you is the stationery sub. So if you want to click out now, make sure to come back when you get your sub. First, I'll show you the freebie card. I wanted to try out some more functional cards, starting with an updated like owner card. So this says, if found, please contact, and then you put your name, your phone number, and your email. This is on the front side. On the back side, I did make it vertical. So if you have vertical pockets, you can use this side. So I just wanted to show you how it looks in my planner. So my pockets are horizontal, and I designed it so the if found peeks out of the top. Same thing with the vertical alignment, and I thought it just looked super cute to have that in your pockets. So if you ever lose your planner and someone finds it, they know how to contact you, hopefully. And then next I'll show you the vellum. So you always get 2 sheets of vellum, and they're sized 6 by 8.5, and you just trim them down to your size planner. So you have this pretty plant background that matches the washi and backgrounds on the sticker kit, but just in black and white, simple line design. and then a concrete. I've been wanting to do a concrete one for a while. I really like the contrast of the pretty dainty plant art on this side, and then the kind of like rough, more like I guess urban looking background of the concrete, and they look really great layered together as well. So that's the vellum. So in our stationery sub, you always get 4 items. This counts as 1 item. The card counts as the second item. So the third item in our September sub is one of our mystery items, and it is a pencil pouch. I am so excited for this. When I found them, I thought they were so cute. I've been looking for something like this. This is black canvas. It has many pockets, and this is how it looks. Of course, as you fill it up, it can stretch out, but let me just show you the different pockets. So you have 2 of these pockets here, and then you have some pen slots here. 1, 2, 3 pen slots, and then you have 2 bigger slip pockets here, 1 on this side and 1 on this side. There aren't any pockets on the back, and then when you open the zipper, you have so much space in here, like so much room in here. And there are actually 4 slip pockets inside. There's 2 on this side and then 2 on the other side. So you can even put things in there, and then this is just a big open space. And I wanted to show you guys how I use mine, but before I show you that, I want to show you the 4th item in the September stationery sub, and this was also a mystery item. I thought I would do a super cute little button that you can stick right on your pouch. And this phrase here, every day I'm plannering, was something that I made up for, was it last month or 2 months ago? I can't remember. I made a decal that said every day I'm plannering, and it was super popular with you guys. They sold out, so I thought I would make a cute button to go on your canvas bag. So this is how mine looks, and I have the button here, but then I also added 2 of our other buttons. Jam in on my planner, hustle and heart. These are like my favorite kind of quotes. And in my pockets, this one I don't have anything right now, but in this one I have some correction tape. So in the front pockets, I put my most used items that I'm always reaching for, and this sits on my desk like this, so it's always handy. I have my ruler in this pocket. I have my scissors in this pocket, and then I have a pen, marker slash what I use as a highlighter, my tweezers for laying down stickers, and then inside is kind of empty right now. What I found is I am a minimalist, well, I consider myself a minimalist planner with not like tons and tons of supplies. So inside here right now is kind of empty. I just have a few things. I have my eraser, some extra pen refills for my friction pen, a Sharpie pen, my color dot marker, and some of our washi. And I just have this in here. These are like secondary items that I reach for. But really what I thought about using this for, besides I really like keeping this on my desk to have everything handy, but in a few weeks we will be taking a short road trip, and I thought this was perfect for travel. So when this is sitting on my desk, I have everything in these little pockets in front, but when I go to travel, I would take everything out of the front pockets and put it inside, along with some sticky notes, some stickers. One of my smaller sticker albums could fit in here, and then it's all secure as I travel. And then when I get to my destination, I have all my planning supplies, and I can stick everything back in the pockets and have it there on the table of where we're staying, and then I have all my planning supplies ready. So I'm super, super excited about this pouch. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. It took me a long time finding this pouch and a long process getting them here, but they're here. I'm really excited. We do have about 40 to 50 extra pouches that will be available to our current subscribers first for Sub Love this Friday. I forget the date, the last Friday of September. They'll get first dibs on the extras, and then anything left after Sub Love will come to the shop on the first Friday of October for anyone to buy. So that's why I really highly recommend, if you're not subscribed to our monthly subscription, I would subscribe to make sure that you get the items, because we don't order a huge amount of extras. We order a little bit of extras just in case anyone else wants it. So if you want to ensure that you get the items, then subscribe at least to our stationery subscription kit, which is $15 a month plus shipping and taxes, and then you'll make sure you get this. And then when Sub Love comes at the last Friday of each month, you also get first dibs on the extras at a discounted price before they come to the main shop the following Friday at full price. So we have a lot of new items that I've already ordered that have already gotten here, and some on the way that I think you won't want to miss out on. Subs are closed right now for September because we just shipped those out, and then they'll open again for October spots on October 1st. So make sure to subscribe. But that's it. That's the sub reveal for our September subscriptions. If you have any questions about how our subs work, please leave it in the comments or send me an email, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again next month with another sub reveal. Bye.